Introducing the stunning 2026 Volkswagen Golf GOLF R-LINE 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG in classic black. This luxurious vehicle is loaded with top-of-the-line features including ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity and rear mobile phone controls. With advanced safety features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts cup holders, a load cover and luxury trim for added comfort. Plus, with an anti-corrosion warranty and self-driving capabilities, this car is designed for longevity and convenience. Get your hands on this impressive Golf today with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and manufacturer servicing. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.